Have you ever found yourself in the middle of a dream, suddenly realizing that you're not in reality, but in a world entirely fabricated by your mind? A world where you can fly like a bird, explore uncharted territories, or even converse with your childhood self. Welcome to the intriguing universe of lucid dreaming. Unlike the typical dreams where you're merely an observer, lucid dreaming positions you as the director of your nocturnal narratives. You become aware that you're dreaming and can even manipulate the dream's content. Now, before you dismiss this as just another fairy tale, here's some news for you. Lucid dreaming is not a product of overactive imagination. It's a scientifically validated phenomenon. Imagine your brain as a bustling city. Generally, during regular dreams, the city continues its operations, but the mayor, your prefrontal cortex, is asleep. This part of your brain responsible for logic, decision-making, and self-awareness is offline, but in a lucid dream, the mayor wakes up while the city is still in its dreamlike state. This is a fascinating anomaly. It's like a glitch in the matrix, an unexpected yet exciting rebellion of the brain against its own rules. The prefrontal cortex gets activated, and you become aware that you're dreaming. You can now take the reins of your dream narrative, transforming from a passive spectator to an active participant. This isn't a hypothesis conjured up in a lab. Scientists have studied brain activity during lucid dreams and identified the specific brain regions that light up. Brain imaging techniques have shown that during lucid dreaming, brain activity is strikingly similar to that in wakefulness, particularly in the prefrontal cortex. So, lucid dreaming is not just a construct of folklore or New Age mysticism. It's a bona fide brain phenomenon, a testament to the incredible capabilities of the human mind. To sum it up, lucid dreaming is a state where you're both dreaming and aware that you're dreaming. It's a scientifically proven phenomenon, with the prefrontal cortex playing a major role. So the next time you find yourself in the midst of a dream, remember you might just have the chance to take control and steer the narrative. After all, who wouldn't want to be the master of their